What's up, Rideshare Hub? Welcome back to the channel. I'm John from Absolute Rideshare, and today I'm going to tell you what it's like driving on the XL platform. But before we get into it, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for the best content on YouTube. Let's go. On the Uber XL and the Lyft XL platform, you definitely have the opportunity to make more money, not just because you're making more per minute and making more per mile, but a lot of people that are going to request a Uber XL are either one, a huge group of people, two, someone who has a lot of luggage, three, someone who's just big and tall. A lot of people that are on the XL platform are driving a minivan, driving something like a GMC Acadia. They might be even using a Chevy Tahoe. But I want to talk to you about what you should expect if you're going to be an XL driver. The number one thing you should definitely expect is probably to get a set of earplugs, because people are so loud when you have a party of 6 people in here that it's great to have a conversation with them, but sometimes my passengers laugh with me and do realize that they are talking really loud during the rides. You should also expect, if you're going to be on the XL platform, not just to go through more gas using XL, but you should be expecting probably about twice the amount of money for the same distance drives. If you're to go, for me, I live in Columbus, Ohio, if you're to go from Dublin, Ohio, a really popular rich side of town, to downtown Columbus, Ohio, you're going to make about 20 to 24 bucks. On the XL platform, you're in that $36 to $40 dollar amount when you're taking people the same distance. So definitely a lot more opportunity to make money. You should be expecting more tips. Me, as a rideshare driver, I started by driving with a F-150, and I did it on the X platform. But I was able to make huge money because people always tipped more in a big vehicle. So now you have the opportunity to get a tip from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Last night, when I was driving, I had the same person 2 times, and they gave me a $10 cash tip on a short ride. I didn't go that far. Plus, they had me twice, but they tipped me 10 times on each ride. So I made 27 with tip on one ride and 14 with tip on another ride that went 1 mile. So there's just more opportunity to make more money because people like to be in a bigger vehicle and they don't like to be cramped into a vehicle having absolutely no room at all. Another thing you should expect with being a XL driver is that people do go short distances just like on Uber X. Last night I had 3 XL rides back to back to back. Each one of them went from $4.32, and then another one was about $6, and the other one was about $8. 2 out of 3 of them tipped, but I also got a 3-trip consecutive bonus. So I drove maybe 7 to 8 miles and made about 30 bucks in an hour. But I was ready to go home for the night. I could have made a little bit more money, but last night was definitely really good. So you should expect when you're an XL driver to still be getting X pings because you're maybe on 2 platforms. If you step up to the XL platform and you find a vehicle that qualifies for comfort, or you find a vehicle that qualifies for select, you're really going to make a lot of good money. Right now, because comfort's kind of taken over, it is taking some of the select business, but Lux is definitely actively promoted on there. So I recommend, if you're going to be in the rideshare game, if you're getting that point where you need a new vehicle or you just want to make more money, you definitely need to be able to be on the XL platform. You're going to double your income on on rides you were already taking. Plus, it just opens up more opportunities for you. I watched a guy named Nick Newsom who's been on the Rideshare Hub before, and he's always talking about taking that leap of faith. This is the second time I've shot him out with this, but it's definitely worth it to upgrade your vehicle to XL. If you guys want to hear about my video on Lux, hit a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, the Rideshare Hub, and check me out on Absolute Rideshare, guys. See you on the Lux video. Peace.